Welcome to Trains with Chick. Today I will be opening up some packages I got for scenery. Hope you enjoy. There's a little Dodge green pickup. And all three of these are Oxford Automotive. And here's a green Dodge Daytona. You're seeing a pattern here. Green, it's greenness. And a green Buick Century. Estate wagon. And that's box 1. Box 2. We have this iconic replicas Buffalo coach. And box number 3, and the last one. Another iconic replicas bus. Military police, can't have enough of those, especially if you want to have any kind of military on the way out. I'll be right back. I'll show you what they all look like outside the box. Welcome back. I unboxed all of them. I will be showing you an in-depth look of each one. Give you the color and the name. So right here is a 1957 forest green and misty green Dodge D100 step-side pickup. Try to focus in a little bit, but that's better at a distance. Next would be the 1954 Buick Century Estate Wagon in the willow green and white. Sides. On camera it looks a lot like bright green, but it's really more of an apple green would be the best way to describe it on a white. It's got a plate on it. In the front, green seats, and that Dodge pickup, it was green as well. But if you see, it just makes the green just pop out so much. And here is one of my favorite cars, the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. With the back headlights, that is at least at 69. Black interior. Some detail in the bottom. The Buick is not as detailed as the Charger was, but still decently. Same thing with the Dodge, a little more than the Buick. Maybe not as much with the Charger, but these costs about 10 to 11 bucks. So I mean, for what you're paying for, it's pretty good. Now here is a iconic replica. It's the this one is the 1966 GM PD 4107 Buffalo Coach. This one is in a military scheme. It's got the light on top. Destination right there. What's blurry? I'll just use that as a background. It's the same thing as this one, but from a distance you're not going to know the number and stuff, so not a big deal to me. I picked this up for about 30 bucks, and I usually see these go for 50, 60, 40 bucks. So I mean, I think it's pretty much a good steal. Can't really see on the inside, it's all blacked out, which is fine. Bottom, it gives you a very simplified, but most of the details on the top, and that's what you're going to see the most. Unless you're going to have a bus accident, which would be entertaining. But military police, U.S. Army. Pretty nice looking. Not too many issues. But I can tell that there is an interior in it. It's got mirrors, windshield wipers. Okay, sorry about that. So I decided about grabbing Athearn, which is about 30 bucks, their bus, and we're going to compare them a little bit. I'll pull this out. Okay. So I can see right here is both drivers sit about a little bit the same height. This one's pretty good weight, metal top, plastic undercarriage. The wheels seem pretty good and stuff and highly detailed. This is you pick it up, you feel the difference. It's not die-cast topped. It's plastic, very light, but you can see on the inside. A little bit better undercarriage. The detail to it, but I just like the look of the GM. It feels like the GM will roll a lot easier than the... I take that back. The Athearn bus, which usually retails around 30 bucks, is able to roll easier. I take that back. The iconic replica does roll a little bit easier. It's just at all its weight, given a push. Friction at its best. Oops, sorry, there's my hand. I don't think you want to see that, but I mean, it's pretty good detail. I'm very happy with it. They'll make really nice additions to the layout. I could do a scene of something. Maybe at most I might change from Fort Dix to another fort. A little more interesting. Maybe do a Fort Knox theme or something like that. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to stay connected, hit the subscribe and the bell icon to stay up to date. I encourage you to comment on this. Let me know what you think. If this is complete garbage or you want more, let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day.